In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a scary Halloween invitation for your parties. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any Filmora tutorials in the future. First, let's go to the Media tab. You'll see that I imported a demo video for inspiration to recreate. I'll drag it onto the first tab to use it as a reference while I'll work on my recreation. Also, I'll take this same music for my project. So, I'll detach the audio from the video by clicking right on the track and selecting this option. Then, don't forget to hide this track because we'll only use it as a reference. Now, let's start editing. So, go to the Titles tab and search Halloween. You'll see a lot of creative templates. For me, I'll use this one for my intro. And now I'll change the text. Double-click on the track and you'll see the text settings being extended. Here, you can change the texts according to your need, including font, size, color, and etc. Also, I would like to add another text. Let's click the Advanced button and click on this icon to add. You have more options here to edit the titles, including the timing of the text. Edit the texts accordingly to your needs. Then, I'll go to the Stock Media tab and select Pixabay to search for some Halloween resources. For me, I'll use this one and drag it onto the third track. Now let's double-click on it to adjust the blending mode to screen under the compositing settings. Then, I'll split this clip into 3 parts to give a flash effect. Now, let's continue searching for resources on Pixabay. I'll use this one and drag it onto the second track. Also, I'll use another one that I already downloaded. Then, as you see, I'm working with a green screen resource, and I want to have the zombie dancing within the frame. To do that, double-click on the clip and go to the chroma key settings to enable it. Then, make sure the color you select for the chroma is green, and now you'll see the zombies are dancing in the frame. Then, let's double-click on the zombie track to animate this. Add the keyframes at the time frame you want to start and finish the animation. Here you can animate the rotation, scalation, position, and opacity. For me, I'll just animate the scale and rotation to make a better adjustment on the zombies to the frames. Now let's continue searching for resources on the stock media. For me, I'm looking for something scary to appear for a few seconds, like ghosts. For me, I'll use this one from the stock. Then, make sure to adjust the scale and timing. And I also will use this scary one I've imported. As a recommendation, you can use this pan and zoom function to add a zoom to your clip, which gives a creepy effect. Then, let's move to the Effects tab and search for Cool Film to add a color grade more related to Halloween vibes. Also, search Static and Horror, and let's use these 4 to give a thrilling feeling for the rest of the video. Now let's continue editing the rest of the video. I'll make sure to use the same Halloween vibe effect for the rest of the video, and then I'll go back again to the stock media tab to use this other resource. This time, I'll use this skull, drag it onto the 6th track. And I'll also enable the chroma key option to remove the green screen. Then I'm going to speed up the clip by clicking this icon and selecting 2 times. Now let's move to the Elements tab and search for blood to add a realistic effect to the video. So let's adjust it to appear when the skull finishes the first knock onto the glass. Then I'll continue adding and adjusting more blood effects to the video. Now let's move to the Titles tab and search horror. For me, I'll use this one and drag it onto the 7th track. Then double-click on it to extend the text settings and go to the Advanced button to modify it with your information. Then let's add some final details. So move the Effects tab, select Filters and Shake, and let's use this one and drag it onto the 8th track. Also, let's use an effect for the end of the video for a great close. For me, I'll reuse this one and I'll make sure to adjust all the clips on the timeline at the exact timing I want them. Also, let's add a creepy text to the beginning of the video. So let's move the Titles tabs and search Halloween. I'll use this one and drag it onto the 9th track to adjust the text settings. Lastly, I'll add a fade out for the creepy text I've added to make it disappear between the ghosts clips in a natural way. And there you have it. A scary and horror video invitation for your Halloween party is done.
Pocket, taking this one to the grave.
If you'd like to recreate this video, you can navigate to Filmora Creator Academy in Filmora Video Editor and click Import Template at the bottom left of the video to get the project files. Then replace the default media with your clips. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel, and comment below to let us know what you'd like to learn next. Till next time, stay creative with Filmora.